Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a professional portfolio using a Google Sites template in the 2026 layout. Start by opening Google Sites and choosing a portfolio template from the template gallery. Once it loads, replace the header title, your tagline, and the background image. Then open the Pages tab and edit the built-in pages like About, Projects, and Contact. You can also add new pages like Resume, Skills, or a gallery. On the About page, update the intro text and add a headshot. On the Projects page, replace the sample project cards with your own images, descriptions, and links. For your resume, upload a PDF or embed a Google Doc so it always stays updated. Then update your contact page with your email, phone number, social links, or a Google form. Finish by choosing a theme that fits your style. Preview the site on desktop and mobile, then publish it and choose your web address. And that's it. That's how to create a professional portfolio using a Google Sites template for 2026. Thanks for watching.